Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha AR220. Starting up here in the bow, you can see we've got a nice open space. You could comfortably fit 4 people up here, which is pretty rare to find on a 22 footer, but you could easily do it up here. And you've got some dedicated anchor storage as well as a bow ladder up at the front here. Makes it super comfortable to climb on and off the boat using this sea deck that you got up here as well. We'll move on back a little bit. You can see we've got this in-floor storage down here. Lots of space. You can store any kind of skis or tubes, wakeboards, anything you're looking to have some fun with out on the water. Not to mention more storage under the helm with your wind dam door here. And even more storage with a hideaway trash can on this side over here. In there, we've actually got the cushions that fill the bow up here to make this more of a full sun pad, so you could lay out, maybe do some sunbathing or something out there on the water. This flooring that you see on the bottom, it actually is snap in, so it peels up and it exposes a non-skid underneath. Super convenient for cleaning the flooring, or if you don't want to have the flooring while you're out on the water, you can just have that bare non-skid. Alrighty. See over here on our port side, we've got this nice big lounger, long enough for anybody to stretch out on. You got some storage underneath this bench seat here. And over there, under there, you got your dual battery system on board. Awesome feature of the AR220 is this hidden glove compartment behind your seat rest here. Enough space to put your wallet, keys, phones, anything you want to keep dry and secure while you're out on the water. And then right above that, we have the wireless charging pad. It's also non-skid, so it'll hold it in place while you're underway. Over here at the helm, you can see we've got the Yamaha cell phone mount, which is also wireless charging. Great spot for the captain to keep their phone. And then the Yamaha Connect screen with a couple of manual switches for things like your horn, your bilge, your nav and anchor lights, as well as the courtesy lights on board. Does have a stereo system on here. You got 2 speakers in the bow as well as 2 in the cockpit here. It's a pretty good stereo system. It really fills the entirety of the boat. And we're getting plenty of shade from our Yamaha tower here. So this is the sport tower, so it'll fold down to about right above the windshield. And it's got this bimini that'll boot right up if you don't want to have it out. It's also got a second tow anchor point up here on the top as well. Then you've got this nice captain's chair. It's got the adjustable bolster and it's got a lock to swivel around as well. Show you a little bit more storage under this cushion here. And then underneath these back here, you've got your twin Yamaha TR1 motors. We'll go ahead and lift that up and show you guys. Got plenty of power behind this boat. Not to mention twin motors is an awesome feature to have for maneuverability with these jet boats. Last but not least, you've got that classic Yamaha swim platform back there. Got plenty of room to hang out, swim up. You got the seat back so you can chill out back there. Awesome feature on this 220 here. If you guys got any questions about this boat, the 2025 AR220, or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. That's me, Blake Holbrooks at MarineMax.